Hi, my name is Ishara. Welcome to my science lab. Today we're learning about plant science.
Plant science? What's that?
Plants. How plants survive and how they become food. Let's do a little experiment.
A little experiment. I love experiments. What are we gonna do?
Seed A versus seed B.
Seeds A versus seeds B.
What?
So what do we need for this experiment?
Sunshine. Ooh. Let me draw what.
What's that?
Water.
Oh, is just A getting water or both sides getting water? Awesome. So what else are we using? Oh, we're gonna use sun?
Yeah, I'm spelling words.
Okay. So water and sun on seeds B. Is sun gonna be on seed A also? Okay, so what makes them different? They both get water and they both get sun. What's different about them?
Paper, soil.
Oh, paper versus soil. Alright, so this is the different treatments, huh? Paper, soil. Okay, so we have our two groups. Awesome. What's this word hypothesis? What does that mean?
Your best guess.
Our best guess on what?
Plants.
Which plant?
Which plant will grow better and faster?
What's your hypothesis?
I think that paper doesn't win.
Oh, you think the seeds grow better on soil?
Yeah, because let me show you. Look at my white Christmas plant.
Ooh, what's it growing on? Or in?
It's soil.
Oh, soil.
Dirty. It's dirt. And you can call dirt soil.
I see. So you think the seeds will grow better in the soil?
Yeah.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
It's a yes to a yes.
Let's do the experiment. High five.
Let me get my containers.
You're getting the containers? Awesome.
This is a big giant container. It's giant. And I have another. He wanted to go away. He's a little slippery fella. This one goes to this one. He got picked first. I'll tape it on right.
Yes. You're going to put some tape on there?
Yeah. Just like that. Ta-da! Soil. I will use the soil, but I need a little help from my mom. We're back. My mom just helped me with the soil.
Oh, that's great. It looks wonderful.
Ta-da! Water! Okay.
Okay, we're going to wet the paper down really good.
How that looks, kids? That looks watery.
Okay, it looks nice and wet.
We're using chia seeds. See, chia. Then we'll just open it up and do it together.
There we go.
Ooh,
they're tiny little seeds, aren't they?
Yeah. Just so tiny. Now we need to get a big slow. My mama and me just spreaded the seeds all the way around it. And now we need the water. The water's right there. Thank you.
We'll check on them tomorrow.
Yes, day uno.
Day 1? Okay, so what are we doing on day 1?
Look like it.
Oh, so we're checking for sunlight, when it has water.
Both of them have sunlight, but these two don't have any water. They're sad.
Okay, so let's add some water.
My mom just opened the spray bottle.
Yeah, it looks a little dry to me.
Let's check the paper towel. Look at the paper towel.
They look a little more moist. So I think the dirt needs some water, for sure.
But if you see a little dry spots.
Okay, give it a little water.
There.
All right.
How to change them out? I think I like that. I like this one. That was like try again.
How's it going there?
No water's coming out.
Uh-oh.
We had a little trouble with the water. It was good. Like that. It stopped to work.
Okay, but now we're back.
Yeah.
All right, so let's keep watering them. See you next time?
Yeah. See you next time.